Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we break down the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of car care with a game changer, Nexgen Ceramic Spray Silicon Dioxide.
If you're in search of the best car wax for hot climates, look no further, because this is it. This professional-grade ceramic coating spray isn't just your average wax. It's a next-level protective sealant that's designed to withstand the toughest conditions, making it perfect for those scorching hot days on the road.
What sets Nexgen apart? Well, it all starts with its advanced formula, featuring silicon dioxide, CO2.
This powerhouse ingredient forms an impenetrable layer of protection on your vehicle's surface, guarding against scratches, fading, and environmental contaminants. But here's the best part. Applying Nexgen ceramic spray is a breeze.
With the fastest application time on the market, you can protect your ride in just 3 simple steps.
Spray it on, wipe it evenly with a microfiber towel, then buff it out for an unbeatable shine.
And the versatility of this product is unmatched.
Whether you're driving a car, RV, motorcycle, boat, or ATV, Nexgen has you covered. It's effective on a wide range of surfaces, including metal, paint, glass, plastic, rubber, and more.
Plus, with enough product in one bottle to coat your car up to 5 times, you're getting incredible value for your money. And if you're looking to complete your car care arsenal, Nexgen offers a range of complementary products to keep your vehicle looking its best. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the ease of application, the stunning shine, and the long-lasting protection that Nexgen ceramic spray provides. It's a game changer for anyone who takes pride in their ride. So, if you want to keep your car looking showroom fresh, even in the hottest climates, make sure to check out Nexgen ceramic spray silicon dioxide. It's the ultimate solution for superior protection and unbeatable shine. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and stay shiny.